Hello, my wonderful English learners. Welcome back. This is day 2 of our 10 days 10-minute shadowing challenge. Today we are going to practice English on the theme of being at the salon. Listen carefully, speak clearly, and repeat after me. Let's begin. Hi, I would like to make an appointment. Repeat. Hi, I would like to make an appointment. Once more. Hi, I would like to make an appointment. Next. Do you have any time available today? Repeat. Do you have any time available today? Once more. Do you have any time available today? Next. What time is my appointment? Repeat. What time is my appointment? Once more. What time is my appointment? Next. I have an appointment at 3 o'clock. Repeat. I have an appointment at 3 o'clock. Once more. I have an appointment at 3 o'clock. Next. I would like a haircut, please. Repeat. I would like a haircut, please. Once more. I would like a haircut, please. Next. I just want a trim. Repeat. I just want a trim. Once more. I just want a trim. Next. Please cut it a little shorter. Repeat. Please cut it a little shorter. Once more. Please cut it a little shorter. Next. Not too short, please. Repeat. Not too short, please. Once more. Not too short, please. Next. I want to keep the same style. Repeat. I want to keep the same style. Once more. I want to keep the same style. Next. Could you cut my bangs a little? Repeat. Could you cut my bangs a little? Once more. Could you cut my bangs a little? Next. Please cut the sides evenly. Repeat. Please cut the sides evenly. Once more. Please cut the sides evenly. Next. Please leave the top a little longer. Repeat. Please leave the top a little longer. Once more. Please leave the top a little longer. Next. I would like to wash my hair first. Repeat. I would like to wash my hair first. Once more. I would like to wash my hair first. Next. The water is too hot. Repeat. The water is too hot. Once more. The water is too hot. Next. The water is perfect now. Repeat. The water is perfect now. Once more. The water is perfect now. Next. Please dry my hair gently. Repeat. Please dry my hair gently. Once more. Please dry my hair gently. Next. Could you comb it back? Repeat. Could you comb it back? Once more. Could you comb it back? Next. Please part my hair on the side. Repeat. Please part my hair on the side. Once more. Please part my hair on the side. Next. I would like a simple hairstyle. Repeat. I would like a simple hairstyle. Once more. I would like a simple hairstyle. Next. Can you make it look neat? Repeat. Can you make it look neat? Once more. Can you make it look neat? Next. I want it to look natural. Repeat. I want it to look natural. Once more. I want it to look natural. Next. I do not want it to look too stiff. Repeat. I do not want it to look too stiff. Once more. I do not want it to look too stiff. Next. Can you show me the back, please? Repeat. Can you show me the back, please? Once more. Can you show me the back, please? Next. It looks a little uneven here. Repeat. It looks a little uneven here. Once more. It looks a little uneven here. Next. Could you fix this part, please? Repeat. Could you fix this part, please? Once more. Could you fix this part, please? Next. Please make this side a little shorter. Repeat. Please make this side a little shorter. Once more. Please make this side a little shorter. Next. Now it looks much better. Repeat. Now it looks much better. Once more. Now it looks much better. Next. I really like the result. Repeat. I really like the result. Once more. I really like the result. Next. This is exactly what I wanted. Repeat. This is exactly what I wanted. Once more. This is exactly what I wanted. Next. You did a great job. Repeat. You did a great job. Once more. You did a great job. Next. Thank you for being so careful. Repeat. Thank you for being so careful. Once more. Thank you for being so careful. Next. How much does it cost? Repeat. How much does it cost? Once more. How much does it cost? Next. Can I pay by card? Repeat. Can I pay by card? Once more. Can I pay by card? Next. Could I get a receipt, please? Repeat. Could I get a receipt, please? Once more. Could I get a receipt, please? Next. Thank you for your service. Repeat. Thank you for your service. Once more. Thank you for your service. Next. I will come back again. Repeat. I will come back again. Once more. I will come back again. Next. See you next time. Repeat. See you next time. Once more. See you next time. Amazing work. You practiced useful English for a real salon situation. Keep speaking, keep repeating, and your English will become smoother and more natural every day.